What's going on, everyone? I'm Matt, and welcome to 5 Minute Set Reviews. They're back. My brothers from another mother, my Iron Brothers. And today, I'll be reviewing their Thermo Burn. Here's the thing though, I don't know if you can tell, it's a little tough. I ran this for 14 days. A couple of days I did something crazy, so you want to stick around and see what I did, because some of you crazy stim heads out there might want to do this as well. Not everybody, but some. But first, I'll go through some of the facts, then I'll get into my experience, and then I'll give you my honest feedback if we should add this to our arsenal or not. Some of the facts over there today. Serving size, 1 capsule. You ready for the next part? Servings per container, 60. Yes, not 30, 60. That's one thing with Iron Bars. Man, talk about one of the best bang for bucks supplement lines out there. I mean, they're pre-workouts. I did the NO booster, I did the test booster, now this. I haven't had any products from them that I didn't enjoy or didn't work. So let's see here. Oh yeah, another thing. This is under 30 bucks. I think 25 to 30. You can get it on Amazon or their website, ironbrasupplements.com. Amazon, you got Prime, sometimes 2-day shipping, sometimes 1. And their website sometimes has specials. So you're saving money either way, even more. Talk about a good deal. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get over here. Caffeine anhydrous, 275 milligrams. Rhodiogenesis, 150 milligrams. Hordenine HCl at 75 milligrams. You're going to have some nice energy and focus right there, those first 3 ingredients. We're off to a great start. Okay, you got L-theanine at 50 milligrams. That's a little bit of calming effect. At 50 milligrams, that should be good. I don't like seeing 1-to-1 ratio, because a lot of these and pre-workouts, I want the feel of energy. I want that caffeine to kick in, but 50 milligrams shouldn't be too bad. All right, you got Paradoxine at 30 milligrams, Pro-GGB at 20 milligrams, Yohimbe HCl at 3 milligrams, and a huperzine A 1% at 2.5 milligrams. That's rounding out that nice trifecta at the beginning. So I'm going to have some energy, some focus, a little fat burning sweat. But here's the thing we all know, and you should know, is this isn't going to make you lose weight just by standing here. It's going to give you some energy to go be productive, to get that extra fat burning going, especially during cardio or just out and about in the house, walking the street, lifting a little more weights. So these are assistants in losing fat. All right, let's go to my experience. First 5 days, I took this before I went to work. Was I sweating crazy at my desk? No, I felt a little burn, but not too bad. I was focused, had nice clean energy. That's what I wanted into the morning at work. And this also, suppressed my appetite to about 11:30 noon before I was able to eat my first meal of the day. Bang, bang, bang. That's what I was looking for. Okay, but here's the thing I was talking about earlier that was crazy. That weekend, I took 2 pills. So you're looking at 500 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous, 300 of rhodiogenesis, 150 of hordenine HCl, and so forth. You get the idea. Man, that was nice. I really enjoyed that. I'm a stim junkie. I thought that I hit the spot. And it was still somewhat cost effective because of the great price to begin with, and there's 60 servings. But I didn't do it every day. I only did it for a few days. If you enjoy that, can handle that, give it a roll. Let me know how you like about it. But other than that, man, I enjoyed this. I am adding it to my arsenal. I can't wait to finish the next about month and a half of this. My brothers from another mother, 4 scoopers out of 5. Another solid job. All right, everyone. You know what time it is. If you found this review helpful, beneficial, and miss my Iron Brothers like I did, hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for 5 minutes Set Review Ride.